Starry eyes and cellophane, she takes her walk, she makes her plans. A truck bails down the avenue, there's broken glass, a missing pew at church. Maybe I was wrong, maybe time's too strong. Are we falling further? Are the lights that take us home when everyone is gone? Are we breaking title to ask the question why? We live and then we die. I think I'm fine. Maybe I'll write you from the other side. He was young when mom got cancer. Here life comes on Dasher Dancer. Raised up his little sister on his own. He brushed her hair and watched her grow. Maybe I was wrong, maybe time's not that strong. Are we falling further? Are the lights that take us home and everyone is gone? Are we breaking title to ask the question why? We live and then we die. I think I'm fine. Maybe I'll write you from the other side. I'm just gonna take it slowly. I'm just gonna live one day at a time. I hope you feel you truly know me. If something comes to take me in the night, there goes the devil telling me to lie again. But his arm around me says it's alright to pretend, yeah, that you can get more than you give. And he wears a raincoat that celebrities have autographed, and they're working for him on his secret special staff. He gets a couple more, yeah, sent to him every week. Dear God, I hate to say I'm sorry, but I just want you to love me, even though I still love money. And there goes the devil creeping in my life's design. So where does it get you, being such a damn nice guy? I've been trying to reach you ever since you bought that suit and tie. Man, you look nice. And dear God, I hate to say I'm sorry, but I just want you to love me, even though I still love money. Dear God, I hate to turn the table, but I just hate waiting table. In my mid-20s, I need more money. I started out helping others.
Wishing star when the cold day's gone. I wish I could believe, trying hard, when the night is long. I wish I could believe, wish I could believe, but I can't go back. Wishing star, living with the dawn.